Humanity has been fascinated with space travel for decades, and one of the most ambitious goals we've set for ourselves is to reach the red planet, Mars. For one, it's the most Earth-like planet in our solar system, making it a prime target for potential human settlement. Traveling to Mars, however, is no easy feat. The brutal truth is that it's a really long way away. We're talking about a whopping 140 million miles of empty space between us and the Martian surface. For starters, the trip would take a massive amount of time, potentially lasting anywhere from 6 to 9 months depending on the specific trajectory we take. Another major hurdle we face is the technological limitations of our current spacecraft. Right now, we're relying on some pretty basic propulsion systems that just aren't designed for long-duration space travel. We'd need to develop new technologies that can sustain humans for extended periods, provide adequate life support systems, and protect against the harsh effects of radiation and extreme temperatures. We'd need to carefully plan our launch window to coincide with the optimal alignment of the planets, and even then, there are no guarantees of success. The journey to Mars is fraught with risks, from solar flares to equipment malfunctions, and we'd need to be prepared for every eventuality. Depending on the specific mission and spacecraft design, estimated travel times can vary wildly, ranging from a few months to several years. For example, NASA's Space Launch System is aiming for a travel time of just under 6 months, while SpaceX's Starship is hoping to cut that down to as little as 3 months. And then there are the orbital positions of the planets to consider. When Earth and Mars are aligned in their orbits, the trip is much shorter, but when they're at their farthest points, it's a much longer haul. One of the most promising areas of research is in new propulsion methods that could potentially cut travel times down to a fraction of what they are today. For example, nuclear propulsion systems or advanced ion engines could provide the necessary thrust to shave months off the journey. And then there are more exotic concepts like fusion propulsion or even antimatter drives. These might sound like science fiction, but they're being actively explored by scientists and engineers around the world. And let's not forget about the potential of in situ resource utilization, where we use Martian resources to fuel our spacecraft and extend our stay on the planet. By continuing to push the boundaries of technology and innovation, we can overcome the challenges we face and make humanity a multiplanetary species. Thanks for watching, and be sure to share your thoughts on Mars travel in the comments below.